Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you an example of CSS in an HTML script. So, first off, CSS is you always find CSS in the style tag, as you can see here. And so it starts as this, and then this is where the style tag starts. And then over here is where the style tag ends. So here you can see the you could this here. So the example here today is a square. So this is where we made it. So this is what it is. So we made the square. It's width 150 and height 150 px. And then we made the background color a hexadecimal, which this one is a orange, and then the border, which is yet another hexadecimal, which is a darker orange. So, and then it ends with the style in the head, and then yeah. So let's say okay. Alright, so practically you could do this. First, you always gotta start with. Hold on. First, you're gonna start with this doc type. You gotta start with doc type HTML, and then HTML tag, and then the head tag. Then you make your style tag, which is the CSS. So we do dot right. So then we do dot my square. Yeah. So you can see here. This is where you actually make the square happen. Width 150 px, height, which is also 150, so we can make it a nice clean size square. But just to not give you a full example, we make it 200, make it into a rectangle. Okay. Alright, so now the background color just do same color. I don't really know hexadecimal color, so right, we do the same thing. Border for px 8 px solid hash, and then hashtag tweet, and then we do one of these, and then we end it with this slash style tag, and then continue slash head to end the head part, and then you start with the body, the div class equals my rectangle. I forgot the quotes. And then tag, and then right after that, this was a div tag ends. Then and then this will in the body slash body tag, and then slash HTML tag, and then there, code's done. Now whenever you make HTML using your, well, I'm on Mac so I use text edit, but if you're on Windows Notepad, you always end it in .html. If not, it'll always end up as a text file. So you want it as a HTML, and so that way when you open it, it'll open on your browser as the HTML. So as you can see here, b.html, save it. Might ask you like extension for HTML. I don't know. I'm on Windows, not Mac, so just press use HTML. Great, it's not cooperating with me. Oh, there you go. So then as you can see here, the HTML. Double click it. Okay, I don't really know that much, to be honest. Anyway, I guess if you want, just pause right here and then show it here. Sure, just pause it. Take a picture if you want, copy and paste. I don't really care anymore. And exit out. Then you just, so again, let me try this with the actual example. Double click it. As you can see here, we have a square. Ta-da. Oh, freaking no. Anyway, that's it. That's pretty much all I know I can teach you about CSS in an example of it in HTML. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and comment down below if you would like more. I will eventually make a video on an example on JavaScript and an example on 3JS. Well, goodbye then.